Welcome to mathematics class. Children, today we start with a new chapter 9, rational numbers. You have to write down the definitions, points, example, etc. given in the video. You learned about different types of numbers such as natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. In this chapter, we shall extend the number system further. We shall introduce the concept of rational numbers along with their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. First, the definition of rational numbers. A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, is called a rational number. For example, 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 7, 1 integer 2 upon 5, 0.7, 0 and 2 upon minus 3 etc. are examples of rational numbers. 1 integer 2 by 5 can be written as an improper fraction as 7 upon 5. So, it can be represented in the form of P by Q. Similarly, 0.7 can be written as 7 upon 10, where P is 7 and Q is 10. 0 equal to 0 upon 1. That is also in the form of P upon Q. Rational numbers include integers and fractions. Next is equivalent rational numbers. If the numerator and denominator of a rational number are multiplied or divided by a non-zero integer, we get an equivalent rational number. For example, minus 3 by 5. Here we are finding out the equivalent rational number by multiplying the given rational number with 2, 3, etc. So if we are multiplying the given rational number by 2, we get minus 6 upon 10. If we multiply it with 3, we get minus 9 upon 15 and so on. Therefore, minus 6 upon 10 and minus 9 upon 15 are equivalent fractions of minus 3 upon 5. Next example, 12 upon minus 24. Here we are finding the equivalent fraction by dividing the given rational number. So if we divide the given rational number by 4, we get 3 upon minus 6. And if we divide it with 3, we get 4 upon minus 8 and so on. Therefore, 3 upon minus 6 and 4 upon minus 8 are two equivalent fractions of 12 upon minus 24. Next is positive and negative rational numbers. Positive rational number. When the numerator and denominator both are positive integers, such rational number is called a positive rational number. That is, both P and Q have the same sign. Example, 3 upon 8, 5 upon 7 and minus 4 upon minus 5, so on. Here, first two rational numbers are having same sign for numerator and denominator, that is positive sign. And the third rational number minus 4 upon minus 5, both numerator and denominator having negative sign. So these are positive rational numbers. Next is negative rational number. When either the numerator or the denominator is a negative integer, then the rational number is called negative rational number. That means P and Q have different signs. For example, minus 2 upon 3, 5 upon minus 7, etc. The number 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. Next is rational numbers on a number line. That means how to represent the given rational number on a number line. For example, represent minus 7 upon 4 on a number line. Minus 7 upon 4 can be written as minus 1 integer 3 upon 4. That means minus 7 upon 4 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. To represent minus 7 by 4 on a number line, first you have to draw a number line. Then leave some space and mark the first point. Then take the scale. Take 1 centimeter distance and mark the points on the number line just like this. Here we have to represent a negative rational number. In this case, if we are starting with the 0, then the 0 should mark on the rightmost side of the number line, because negative numbers lie on the left side of the number line. Here minus 7 by 4 is not that much big number. So we can start with the 0 upon 4. If the number is bigger, then you can find out it lies between which two integers. For example, here minus 7 by 4 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So instead of 0, you can start with the minus 1 also. Here minus 7 by 4 is small number. So we start with the 0 only, and that is 0 should be written on the rightmost side of the number line. And the denominator is 4. So we keep the rational number with the 4 as denominator. So we can mark the point as 0 upon 4, minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4, minus 4 upon 4, that represents minus 1, minus 5 upon 4, minus 6 upon 4, minus 7 upon 4, and minus 8 upon 4. That is equal to minus 2. Next, we can mark minus 7 by 4 on the number line. The circle shows minus 7 by 4. It is represented by A. Hence, A represents the required rational number minus 7 upon 4. If it is given a positive rational number, then we start the 0 on the leftmost side, because positive numbers lies on the right side of 0. Next is rational numbers in the standard form. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. That is, both P and Q are in the lowest form. For example, 3 upon 8 minus 5 upon 7, etc. Write the standard form of 18 upon minus 45. So the first step is we can find the LCM of 18 and 45, that is 9. To make it into the lowest term, we can divide the given rational number by 9. Here the denominator is having negative sign, so you have to divide the given rational number by negative 9 so that the denominator becomes positive. So we get minus 2 upon 5, which is the standard form. Next is comparison of rational numbers. First one, to compare two positive rational numbers. First find the LCM and then compare just like the comparison of fractions. For example, compare 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So 2 by 3 becomes 14 upon 21 and 5 by 7 becomes 15 upon 21. Since 14 upon 21 less than 15 upon 21, hence 2 by 3 less than 5 upon 7. Second one, to compare two negative rational numbers. For that, we compare them by ignoring their negative signs and then reverse the order. Compare minus 7 by 5 and minus 5 upon 3. So we first compare without the negative sign, that is 7 by 5 and 5 by 3. For that, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So 7 by 5 becomes 21 upon 15 and 5 by 3 becomes 25 upon 15. Since 21 upon 15 less than 25 upon 15, hence we can put the negative sign, then the less than sign will reverse, so it will become greater than. That means minus 21 upon 15 greater than minus 25 upon 15. That is minus 7 by 5 greater than minus 5 upon 3. If fill in the blanks is given, we can check it easily by this method by cross multiplication. We can cross multiply minus 7 into 3 and minus 5 into 5. So we get minus 21 and minus 25. You know that minus 21 is greater than minus 25. So the left side rational number will be the greatest rational number. Here minus 7 by 5 is greater than minus 5 by 3. Next, the last comparison. Compare a negative and a positive rational number. It is obvious that negative rational number is always less than the positive rational number. For example, Compare minus 2 by 7 and 1 upon 2. Here 1 is a negative rational number and 1 by 2 is a positive rational number. So minus 2 by 7 is less than 1 by 2. And the next one is rational numbers between two rational numbers. We can find unlimited number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. For example, find any 5 rational numbers between minus 5 upon 3 and minus 8 upon 7. Here, first make the denominator of the given rational number same by finding the LCM. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So minus 5 by 3 will be equal to minus 35 upon 21 and minus 8 by 7 equal to minus 24 upon 21. Therefore, the required rational numbers are, you can choose any 5 rational number between minus 24 upon 21 and minus 35 upon 21. That is minus 25 upon 21, minus 26 upon 21, minus 27 upon 21, minus 28 upon 21 and minus 29 upon 21. Next is write any 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. Here LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Minus 3 by 5 equal to minus 9 upon 15. And minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 5 upon 15. Between minus 9 by 15 and minus 5 by 15, we could not find 10 rational numbers. Here we are getting only minus 6 by 15, minus 7 by 15 and minus 8 by 15. That is only 3 rational number we are getting. So we can find equivalent fractions of these rational numbers. So we can multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. Then we are getting minus 9 upon 15 multiplied by 10 gives minus 90 upon 150. Similarly, minus 1 by 3 becomes minus 5 upon 15 multiplied by 10 upon 10 gives minus 50 upon 150. Then we are getting more than 10 rational numbers. So we can choose any 10 rational numbers between minus 50 upon 150 and minus 90 upon 150. Therefore, the required rational numbers are minus 51 upon 150, minus 52 upon 150, minus 53 upon 150, minus 55 upon 150, minus 56 upon 150, minus 57 upon 150, minus 58 upon 150, minus 59 upon 150 and minus 60 upon 150.